Hi, in this video I'll show you how to use a wire size calculator. Before using the wire size calculator, ensure you have already created the design, added your modules and inverters, and created the strings. In this example, I have added modules, integrated microinverters, and created branches for each microinverter. Once the setup is complete, save your design and navigate to the Wire Size Calculator tab. Here you'll see a table representing the electrical components showing the wire's starting and ending points. Steps to use the wire size calculator interconnection type. Choose the type of interconnection, such as backfeed or tap, based on your project. Wire size calculations. Select the calculation method from the list provided. These are updated as per the latest standards. Auto-updated tables. The module table updates automatically based on the modules you have added. The inverter specification table updates based on the inverters configured in the Design Studio. Site specification data. This includes data based on the weather file for the project location. If you plan to add a conduit, you can specify the conduit height in the table. Conductor type. By default, the conductor type for AC is set to copper. You can choose between copper and aluminum depending on your requirements. Temperature adjustments. The maximum temperature is pre-filled, but it can also be adjusted as needed. Wire sizing details. The table displays the AC conductor and the wire sizing between the junction box and the combiner box. The number of current carrying conductors is pre-filled based on the branches created. This can be adjusted manually if needed. Using factors like temperature, conductor type, and string configuration, the wire size is calculated. For this example, the size is 10 AWG. You can also view other details such as the number of maximum microinverters connected in a single branch, the ground wire size. Additional connections. If you're connecting a production meter, toggle the option to view the wire size required from the AC conductor or the combiner box to the production meter. The table also provides wire size recommendations for connections between the combiner box and the AC disconnect. Connections from the AC disconnect to the interconnection. Direct connections from the combiner box to the interconnection. This tool allows you to determine the most suitable wire size for your project based on your specific requirements. The wire size calculator primarily aligns with US standards and calculations. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.